Hello, first graders. Our math lesson today is going to be Chapter 4, Lesson 2. Still OA6, which is still using strategies within 20 to add and subtract. So with this Chapter 4, we're working on our subtraction. Similar to Chapter 3, Lesson 2, we're going to do the subtraction using our number line to subtract. So if you open up your books to page 287, you're going to see the lobster with a beach ball. And we're going to use our number line to help us subtract. So if I go to my pin here and I read, it says, I can use a paper clip, I can use my pen, I can use a pencil, I can use whatever I have around the house. So a store has 11 beach balls to sell. So I know I'm starting at 11 because that's how many they have to sell. They have 11 beach balls. So I'm going to put my little dot there at 11. And then it says, it sells 2 of them. So if I'm selling, I'm taking away. So I'm going to count back 1, 2. How many do I have? They are left with 9 beach balls to sell. So if I turn the page, all I'm going to do is use my number line to help me subtract. So my number sentence is written right over here on the side. And let me make it a little bit bigger for us so it's easier to see. So I have my number sentence. It is 8 minus 2. I want to always start with my biggest number. So in this case, it is 8, our whole. So I start at 8, and I want to count back 2 spots. So I can start at 8, and I can count back 2 spots. I go back 1, 2. I end up with 6. So 8 minus 2 is 6. I do the same here. I go to 10, and I take back 3. So I start at 10, and I want to count back 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. I end up on 7, so 10 minus 3 equals 7. I look at number 3. I start at 5 because that's my whole, 5. Minus 1, I jump back just 1 spot, and I get 4, so 10 minus 1 equals 4. 12 minus 3, again I start with my whole, 12, and I count back 3 spots. 1, 2, and 3. I get 9. So 9 is my difference. So today for your assignment, I want you to, let me zoom back here so you can see the whole page. I want you to complete your independent practice, page 289 and 290. If you have any, after you complete it, please submit it in Canvas. If you have any questions, let us know.